FXR.
Look at this.
That is a street light.
Yours is up top.
Ours is on top. Look, everybody. We got 2022s coming in this
We
morning.
got one.
Okay, Fred. We got one. It's up on the top
I
row.
would not go live anymore. I was going to say some bad
I won't do that to you.
I was going to say bad things.
No, you can't say bad things. We're going to be on video with all the customers. All right, we're getting ready to pull one off, and we'll post it and show you what we got. We're not sure. They didn't give us a VIN number, so it's one of the new bikes that we don't know about yet. Okay, what is it? Go ahead, let's take the cover off it. That looks like a Lowrider S, Fred.
It is.
Woo! Look at that beautiful color. My gosh. Wow.
Scratches before the snow hit.
She's pretty.